Hello. You know, I showed jump, this assembler thing, right? And I showed also once this tape recorder I bought. I have connected the tape recorder to the MSXVR into the microphone input. I use such a cable, stereo. Can you see it? You see there are two black isolation things. In comparison to the original one, you know, from the MSX computers on here, right? This connector is this. The original ones, they have mono. Somewhere, I don't remember where, in the MSXVR, it could be set if the left or right channel should be used while recording from microphone. So we will use jump. We will use the second side. I think the second side is better from the quality. And we will put this on here into the tape recorder. And what we will do, first we need to clean up a little bit. The first thing what we will do, we will create a disk file. I have yesterday tested this thing, and but now in the first recording it did not functioning. So we'll make a directory disks, and we will use the disk tool to create. You can see it, right? Yeah. To create a disk and provide a format and set the size to 720 with a FAT12. I don't know why I need to put this, and then OAM, we can name it PSS, and we will name the disk jump disk. Okay, created. So we have here this file, jump disk. Okay, the next thing would be that we would load this disk we created into our MSX machine. On here you'll see it already of the first run, which wasn't working. So on here, see disk, jump disk. We make sure that write protection is not selected. And the tape on here, we put, or I put on here, PCM mic input. This is weird. Last time there was mic standing, written MIC, but now it's just PCM mic input. Don't know why. And we run this MSX machine. I think it's good enough quality, right? Yeah. The first thing we will do, we will format the disk. Oh, cool. Format. Okay. Okay. Let's make a test. Okay, so this seems to be working. The next thing is the instruction manual of jump says to load jump into memory, use bload, PSS and R. And this option R on here runs the program. We will just make bload PSS and it will be put into the memory where it belongs. Aha. Stupido. As we have also a disk drive, we need to say CAS as a device. Okay. So, okay, okay. So now we hear already some noises, but these are not from the tape recorder. I will put now play on the tape. Okay, you see, found PSS. It's overwriting the missing operand error message because I messed up. If somebody of you knows a cool YouTube tutorial about programming assembly MSX, especially how to load pictures into memory and move a sprite along, please drop a comment. It would be cool for me to get an idea how this would work. I've never done this, just playing around, you know. So we are already done, I think. Okay, so now we will simply save this thing. The user manual of Jump says that the jump is loaded in starting of this address to this address. And we will use the bsave command to save PSS to disk and provide this start address and this end address. And for the R command, R option we skipped previously, we will define the address on which after loading the software should be started. Okay. Now we have beside test.bus as a PSS file. Let's see if we can load and run jump. Okay. It's weird that this time it worked without any problems. But I'm happy. Now I have a disk